everyone, thanks for keeping it at my channel. I welcome you once again and I thank you for keeping it at my channel. And in case you are new, please feel at home. You are most welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click into the notification bell so that you can actually get whatever video I upload. If you are new, just call me Rita. It's okay to call me that because it is my name. Today, I want to share with you my grandma's secret. You know, when I was young, I used to go to my grandma's house during the holidays, towards Christmas time. And she actually used to give us more of herbal medicine than this synthesized medicine. So most of the times we could actually go out there in the wild and eat various fruits like guavas, mangoes, and many others. But in most cases, when we could eat more of guavas, we could actually get constipation, stomach ailments, and others. But my grandma was actually very wise. She could actually prepare us a decoction of mondia white and give us, and within a few hours we are actually done with that problem. When we go and visit the other, that we actually do that stuff very well with no discomfort. And that is why today I have come up to share with you a number of health benefits of mondia white. Mondia white is a woody herbaceous plant. It is a climbing plant with actually heart-shaped leaves that are very highly notched at the base. Mondia white bears fluorescent flowers. They actually occur in branches. They are branched like this, not like this, but they actually occur in separately branched fluorescence. These fluorescent flowers actually occur in purple pink color, and they are actually bright. I remember my grandma used to do what? To prepare a decoction of mondia white roots whenever we could get stomach pain, constipation, and in most cases, whenever we could get fever, she could actually prepare a decoction and give us like 3 times a day, and we are done. The next day we are playing. Mondia white is known for its milk latex of the roots. When you cut the roots or when you break the roots, they actually have milk sap or latex, you can call whatever you can call it. And it has been used in the treatment of various diseases as well as health conditions. And that is why when I grew up, I also decided to do more research, to do more reading of the published research about mondia, and it is what I really want to share with you. Mondia white is known to have various names according to various regions of the world where it is found, and it is mainly found in Africa, various regions of Africa, Western, Eastern, and other regions of the world, but mostly in Africa. And it has been called by various names according to those regions. And in my home country, Uganda, in my local language, Luganda, we call it mulondo. And it has been used as a herbal medicine for various health conditions, as we are going to see. In some regions, they call it white is ginger. Others, they call it tonic ginger, while others call it mukombero, and many names. Mondia white has a number of nutrients, potentializing it for the various health benefits. These nutrients include vitamins, mostly the fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K, as well as vitamin E. These vitamins are highly nutritious as they boost health by boosting body immunity, fighting and preventing inflammation, enhancing proper absorption of minerals like calcium, phosphorus in the body that are very helpful in our body, like being helpful for our bone functioning, protein synthesis, and many other uses. Modia white also contains several minerals like zinc that is very vital in health conditions, as well as in the formation of testosterone that is very useful in the sexual health of men. Zinc has been so far suggested to participate in more than 100 chemical reactions helpful in the body. So consuming Mondia white actually will help you in various ways, as we are going to see. Mondia white also contains potassium. Remember, potassium is very helpful in the formation of proteins, in the formation of bones. It is very helpful in blood clotting, wound healing, and many processes. Mondia white also contains copper that is very vital. It also contains calcium, very essential for our bones functioning. Mondia white also contains magnesium that is very good for heart health, bone health, sexual health. Mondia white also contains several antioxidants as well as anti-inflammatory compounds. Remember, antioxidants are these compounds or photochemical substances that actually help suppress free radicals in our bodies. Remember, free radicals are helpful in our bodies, but when they occur in excess, actually become a nuisance to our health, as they act as hooks for attachment of disease-causing organisms like bacteria, virus, as well as causing inflammation. Remember, inflammation is also helpful, but when it becomes chronic due to increased accumulation of free radicals in our bodies, it also becomes a nuisance to our health. So these antioxidants include polyphenols like saponins, tannins, uh, flavonoids, and flavonoids are actually responsible for the aromatic aromatic taste of mondia white. That good smell of mondia white is actually attributed to the presence of flavonoids. Benefits of it, we are going to start by looking at the other health benefits that are actually unconsidered and unrevealed. These include boosting body immunity because of the numerous nutrients it contains. These include minerals like potassium, as we looked at them earlier, several vitamins, antioxidants, uh, antimicrobial substances, and many others. So it is good to actually add Modia whitei to our diet so as to enhance our immunity. Modia whitei is also good in boosting appetite. Yes, if you actually don't feel like eating and you want to improve your appetite, please consume mondia whitei, most especially those root tubers. They will help you out. You can prepare a decoction of the roots or the leaves. You can dry and smash the roots and prepare a powder and be adding it to your food as a spice in order to benefit from it. Modia whitei is also good in improving our bone functioning as it contains potassium and other nutrients as well as vitamins that are very good in strengthening our bones and preventing them from losing mass, hence improving on their functioning. Mondia whitei is also a natural pain reliever. It is a natural pain reliever, relieving pain such as several headaches like migraines, menstrual cramps, backaches, and other pains and aches in the body. So please consume Modia whitei for such benefits. Modia whitei is also good in improving proper blood circulation because of the several antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce clogging as well as clogging in the blood vessels, allowing proper circulation of blood to the various parts of the body. And on that same matter, therefore, ending up improving or reducing risks of high blood pressure. Modia whitei is also good in the treatment of several diseases like bilharzia, cough, and many other diseases, mainly the bacterial diseases. And on that same matter, it is good in the treatment and prevention of urinary tract infections. Because of its antimicrobial properties, it ends up actually suppressing as well as killing those disease-causing organisms, hence that health benefits. Modia whitei is also very good in improving our eye health. My accent, don't mind about my accent. It is good in improving our eye health because of the several vitamins like vitamin A that actually improve vision, preventing conditions like night blindness, because of its ability to modulate body pressure. That actually helps reducing high pressure in the eyes. Remember, when pressure in the eyes becomes too high, it actually affects our eyes. Also, the anti-inflammatory properties of Modia whitei benefit our eyes by preventing inflammation of the eyes. Modia whitei is also very good in improving fertility in both males and females, as it contains several vitamins like vitamin D, vitamin K, that are very good in the production of sex hormones, like in the production of testosterone, responsible for that matter. Modia whitei is also very good in the management of stress and depression, as it contains several antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress by reducing or eliminating redundant free radicals from our bodies, whose accumulation would lead to such a condition. Modia whitei is also very good in preventing abnormal aging due to its anti-inflammatory compounds like saponins, as we saw earlier before. They reduce inflammation of our body, the skin, reducing the rate of aging, and for that matter, therefore, it is good for our skin. We also can't underlook the fact that Modia whitei is a brain booster, as it contains the several antioxidants as well as vitamins that prevent inflammation in the brain cells and also enhance proper circulation of blood and vital nutrients throughout our brains, hence increasing our brain capacity, thinking capacity, memory, and other aspects of brain functioning, reducing risks of age-related degeneration, such as Alzheimer's disease and many others. Modia whitei is also an energy booster, as it contains vitamins essential for strong bones or proper bone and muscular functioning, that is vitamin K and vitamin D respectively. It is also good in overcoming as well as preventing bleeding disorders. These bleeding disorders can actually damage the body in a way that they can lead to slow healing wounds. They can lead to anemia. They can cause nose bleeding, hemophilia, and other bleeding disorders, as it contains vitamin K, essential for blood clotting. Modia whitei is also essential in, don't mind about my accent, is also essential in the treatment as well as prevention of varicose veins. These veins that appear to be very near to the skin surface, mostly in the body extremities like the hands and the legs, mainly due to increased pressure in the veins as a result of maybe overstanding, oversitting, and other causes. Varicose veins occur due to the due to damage and weakness of the valves of the veins, hence leading to backflow of blood into the arteries, into the veins, leading to increased pressure as well as swelling of the veins, hence appearing more closer to the skin surface. Mondia whitei is also essential for growth and development as it contains vitamin K, essential for protein synthesis. Remember, protein is essential in the growth and development as it is one of the requirements for cell and tissue development. Mondia whitei is also a natural detoxicant. It detoxifies the body of harmful waste products, as well as pollutants from the environment, hence reducing risks of liver diseases and many others. It is also a natural nutrient. No, it is also a natural source of nutrients that enhance and improve milk production in lactating mothers. So if you are breastfeeding, please endure to add Mondia whitei in your diet. You can chew the tubers, or you can prepare a decoction of the roots. You can also smash the root tubers and obtain a powder. It also benefits our dental health as it has important minerals like zinc, calcium, essential for strengthening our bones. The antimicrobial properties of Mondia whitei also help it benefit our dental health by combating germs that would cause various dental illnesses as well as disorders such as tooth decay, bad breath, uh, gum diseases, and many others. Mondia whitei also contains vitamins essential for our dental health. These vitamins might include, actually not might, include vitamin D, vitamin E, as well as vitamin A that actually strengthen our dental health. Vitamin D is also essential for our dental health by increasing the absorption of important minerals for our dental health, and these minerals are phosphorus and calcium. Remember, phosphorus is very vital in enhancing the regrowth of our teeth. In case we actually lose our teeth or we remove our teeth, phosphorus is the mineral responsible for refilling our gums with new teeth. Also, the anti-inflammatory aspects or effects of Modia whitei also potentialize it to actually benefit our dental health by preventing inflammation in our inflammation in the gums that would lead to conditions like resealing gums, where you can actually feel like the teeth are actually going to fall out. uh, that can lead to that can lead to conditions like swelling gums, bleeding gums, and other related gum diseases and disorders. The anti-cancer properties of Modia whitei also make it important for our dental health, because we know cancer is one of the causes of bad breath, besides other causes uh, like it can be the bad breath can be from as a result of taking some medications that actually give off that bad breath, or it can be an infection. It can be uh, poor dental hygiene and other causes. So please endure to add Modia whitei to your daily routine. Modia whitei, for that matter, therefore, can help you eradicate dental illnesses like bad breath, receding gums, gum disease, tooth decay, uh, dental cavities, root infections, and many other dental illnesses as well as disorders. Modia whitei is also beneficial to our nervous system, that actually increases sensitivity of our bodies. This is attributed to the presence of vitamin D, vitamin E, as well as mineral zinc. I remember telling you that zinc actually takes part in almost 100 reactions in the body. So zinc is also essential for the nervous system, and we are seeing it being present in Modia whitei. Zinc, Modia whitei is also beneficial to our kidney health due to its ability to regulate blood pressure. Remember, high blood pressure is one of the causes of kidney diseases and defects. The ability of Modia whitei to detoxify the body or the blood ends up assisting the functioning of our kidneys, as well as purifying the blood. The antioxidative and anti-inflammatory properties of Modia whitei also potentialize it to benefit the kidney health by reducing inflammation in the kidney as well as in its blood vessels, allowing proper circulation of blood, hence improving its functioning as well as its general health. For that matter, thanks for the presence of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin K, minerals like potassium that are present in Modia whitei. Modia whitei, on addition to that, it is good in eradicating kidney-related disorders and diseases such as kidney stones, renal defects, renal diseases, and many others. Modia whitei is also anti-inflammatory in its action, suppressing as well as treating several inflammations that would actually be harmful to the body. These inflammatory diseases might include cancer, several types of cancer. It might be prostate cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer, or any other type of cancer. Another problem is tumors. It is actually good in suppressing as well as fighting tumors such as brain tumors and other sorts of tumors. It is good in fighting rheumatism as well as arthritis, obesity, asthma, fatty liver disease, and many other inflammatory diseases and disorders, ulcers inclusive. Let's take a look at the aphrodisiac benefits of Modia whitei. Modia whitei has been actually highly recommended for sexual health as it contains the various minerals and nutrients responsible for improving sexual health as well as performance. It improves quality and quantity of sperms among the males as it contains zinc as well as vitamin K, vitamin E, as well as D that are vital in the process of improving the quality as well as quantity of sperms. They actually have the ability to increase the mobility as well as validity of the sperms. Another benefit is that they actually improve sexual appetite, call it libido, and as well as improving sex performance because the vitamins like vitamin E and D actually improve the instinct of sexual performance or sexual arousal. So that is the reason why it is highly used by men to improve their performance in that corner of life. Modia whitei, most especially the roots, are highly recommended for improving or getting rid of erectile dysfunction as it contains zinc, an important mineral besides others that is very good in improving erection, as well as having vitamin E that is essential for proper muscular contraction, and having anti-inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation in blood vessels, allowing proper circulation of blood into or within the sexual organs, potentialize Modia whitei for that health benefit. Modia whitei also improves besides the nutrients that we have so far seen as sexual content in Modia whitei, there are quite a number of nutrients that are supporting our sexual health. And I need to
throw more light on them so as we actually improve our sexual health. Looking at zinc as a major mineral in sexual health, it actually enhances and improves blood flow in the body as well as in our sexual organs. Zinc also improves and improves the production of sexual hormones, hence helping boosting our sexual health and performance. We can actually acquire zinc by eating peanuts, walnuts, and other nuts. Another nutrient is the protein. Remember, protein is responsible for growth and development, for synthesis of the sex cells that are important in our sexual life. Proteins also provide us with essential amino acids like carnitines that actually improve and increase blood flow within the body and the sex organs as well. We can actually obtain these proteins, mostly the lean proteins, are beneficial in this manner. We can actually acquire them by eating more of green leafy vegetables like spinach, by eating legumes like beans, peas, nuts, and many others. We also have vitamins like B vitamins. B vitamins are actually overtaking the sexual side of our health, whereby vitamin B1, B2, B3, B4 up to B5 actually have the potential of increasing sexual stamina. We can acquire these B vitamins by eating meat, liver, seafood like fish and many others, legumes like beans, groundnuts, green leafy vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, pigweed, and many others. Eating seeds like flax, chia seeds, and other seeds. We can also acquire B1 to B5 B vitamins by eating mushrooms, avocado, as well as adding dairy products to our daily meal. Other B vitamins that are actually essential for our sexual health are the B6 and B12. These are very essential in stabilizing our hormones, which end up boosting our libido and sexual performance. We can acquire these B6 and B12 vitamins by eating food like watermelons, eggs with their yolks, beef, almond, dairy products like yogurt, cheese, butter, and many others. We can also eat shellfish so as to get the B and B6 and B12 vitamins. Another B vitamin that actually supportive to our sexual health in both males and females is the B9. It is in most cases called folate as well as folic acid. It is essential in enhancing our energy levels, pumping our body with energy. Remember, we require energy for sexual performance. And we can acquire folate by eating green leafy vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, asparagus, pigweed, and other leafy vegetables. And another nutrient is omega-3. These fatty acids are anti-inflammatory. They actually reduce the effect of harmful free radicals that could lead to inflammation as well as related diseases that may arise as a result of inflammation and affect our sexual life. Omega-3 also increases sexual desire and arousal. It is also essential for improving our cardiovascular health. That it also affects our sexual health. We can get omega-3 by eating fish, mostly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring, sardines, and many others. We can also obtain omega-3 by eating seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and others. We all know that our lifestyle also affects our sex health as well as performance. And let's look at the lifestyles that can actually affect our sexual health. One is obesity. Obesity contributes to the development of sexual dysfunction due to its negative impacts on our cardiovascular health, metabolic functioning, such as it can actually lead to diabetes, hypertension, hyperlipidemia that actually affects our sexual health. Another lifestyle aspect that actually affects our sexual health is smoking, mostly tobacco smoking. This smoking causes vasodilation of our blood vessels, making them congested and interfering with blood circulation. And remember, with sexual health, we actually need to be having proper blood circulation, as blood is required to transfer the vital nutrients as well as oxygen to our sex organs. Another lifestyle aspect is alcoholism. Alcoholism actually makes it hard for one to get an erection. By interfering with the messengers in the brain, it actually declines our sexual health as well as performance. Remember, sexual health is attached to brain functioning, as it requires one to be active mentally so as to perform that activity. It also reduces testosterone production. Alcoholism actually interferes with the production of the sex hormones required in sex health. Another problem is chronic stress. Stress and depression actually interferes with sex health by causing issues like high blood pressure, anxiety, diabetes, and others, which can negatively affect erectile function and libido. Uh, Another aspect of lifestyle is the activeness of our bodies. How long do we indulge in physical activities? How long do we actually indulge our bodies in physical exercise? Remember, physical exercise actually improves our cardiovascular health, which is one of the factors that affects either positively or negatively on our sexual health depending on its state. If your cardiovascular health is good, it is likely for you to have a good sexual health, other factors held constant. Another aspect is, okay, we have finished looking at diabetes, hypertension, and libido. I think that is all for today. Let's meet next time, and I can't say goodbye without thanking you for keeping it at my channel, viewing my videos. Please keep on that, keep on doing it until we actually make it. Age also affects sexual health. Sexuality actually decreases as one goes on growing old. Usually in the females, lubrication decreases with aging. The vagina actually shortens and becomes narrower, as well as the walls becoming thin and stiffer. This actually affects negatively their sexual performance as well as pleasure. Age also affects sex drive both in the males and the females, as usually after the age of 40 in males, testosterone levels actually fall, leading to decreased libido and delayed erections. And in case erections occur, they are usually weak and short-lived. Another lifestyle that can actually affect negatively our sex health is masturbation. When someone actually indulges in masturbation for a long period of time, it actually affects his sex health, as long time masturbation can lead to chronic fatigue. It actually makes someone feel tired all the time and reduce his or her sexual performance, as it leads to the production of cortisol hormone, which is a steroid hormone, which actually increases the rate of metabolism, hence leading to fatigue and exhaustion. And remember, with sex or with sexual activities, we actually need to be strong, and we need to be energetic. So fatigue actually lowers our sexual performance as well as health. Masturbation actually leads to recurring infections as the body lowers its ability to guard against infections, as well as increased inflammation. Masturbation also leads to increased pain in the back, mostly the lower back. And remember, with sexual health and performance, we need to be physically fit. Our bones and muscles have to be properly functioning. And if we indulge in masturbation, we are likely to be disturbed by lower back pain as a result of the production of hormones that actually lead to inflammation. Masturbation also suppresses anti-inflammatory hormones, rendering the body as well as the sex organs free for inflammation to take over, hence lowering our sexual health as well as performance. Masturbation also lowers and decreases the size of the penis, as it leads to the decreased size of the penis. In case someone started it at a tender age, it actually interferes with the production of hormones required for the proper growth of the penis to its full and normal size. And actually also in mature people, long-time masturbation also affects the size of their penis, hence decreasing their pleasure and performance in such activities. It also leads to pain in the testicles due to the reduction of the production of oxytocin and testosterone, which are anti-inflammatory, rendering the testicles to inflammation, leading to increased pain in the testicles. And remember, with pain in the testicles, automatically sexual performance and pleasure decreases. Masturbation also decreases sensitivity in the penis in the side of males, as it is characterized with tight grip, hence making it difficult for an erection to occur, as well as clogging the blood vessels, hence leading to poor performance in that sex activity. Long-time masturbation can also lead to sperm leakage as well as premature ejaculations that actually make it difficult for one to make someone conceive, which actually affects sexual health and performance. How do we prepare mondia whitei for consumption? We can actually prepare mondia whitei in 3 ways. By preparing a decoction of the fresh or dried leaves or the roots. If you get into access with the leaves, you prepare the leaves. If you get into access with the roots, you prepare a decoction of the roots, but preferably the roots are better. What are you going to do? You just get the roots, chop them into short pieces, add some water and boil. You can add, like, it depends on the amount that you want, but you can add like the ratio. You can add like 3 glasses and you boil to obtain like 2 glasses, and then wait to do what, to cool down and drink when it's still warm. You can also just cure the dried roots or just chew them when they are fresh. They all work. You can also smash the roots into a powder. This powder, you can actually apply it in your tea. You can apply it in hot water and just drink. You can apply the powder in your meals as spices, and you can also just make some capsules from the powder, and the consumption of the capsules is usually you can just take 2 to 3 capsules twice a day, of course with water. I think that's all for with mondia whitei. However, we should not forget that it is also helpful in the treatment or overcoming vomiting and nausea as well. It also induces labor. And for that matter, therefore, I just sign out for today. Just keep on supporting the channel so as we can really make it. Thank you so much. Thanks to the people of Africa, India, China, Indonesia, USA, Saudi Arabia, the people of German, the people of Uganda, Kenya, East Africa as a whole, the people of Vietnam. Thanks for watching my videos, because my geographic records actually show me that you really watch my videos. Thank you so much for the support, and I really don't take you for granted. You mean a lot to me. You are very important, and you actually attribute and contribute a lot to the development of our channel, as well as helping others